There's also in the Admin Center the ability to control Skype for Business and how you choose external users. So if you go to Skype for Business, and then you can decide whether you go to external users or internal users, or even if you go to external users, you can still limit certain domain names. So for example, this is the default settings. And so basically by default it's set up to go from Skype to Skype. You can actually communicate from Skype to communicate with individual Skype users. So if you have customers who you need to call them or instant message them or video conference them and they're not on Skype for Business, you want to turn that on. And then you can also, though, make exceptions. So even though you're doing external sharing, if there's been a particular domain name or a competitor, for example, that is something you want to avoid getting instant messages or sending communications to, you can block certain domain names, and you can just put in a file here, cut and paste a list of domain names here. By default, you can also block all domain names and include exceptions. So if there's a particular company that you're doing business with, for example, like if CNN wants to do business with Fox.com, for example, so they're industry partners in this scenario. So basically, you would add, but you want to do business with Fox and only Fox, so you basically put Fox.com in here, and that way CNN and Fox can talk to each other, but you're not using any other external information. So there's some more kind of nitty-gritty detail organization here, and you can get into the dial-in conferencing settings from there. But that's just getting into the Skype conferencing and controlling those different parameters there, and mostly for external sharing, external or internal sharing there. So.